So these are one of those things I highly recommend installing on the car. Here, this is where you have the screen, the display. The thing is, so that will prevent us from hitting. So if something's behind us, it will beep and show us the warning sign, and the beep actually changes according to how close you are, so you don't hit the thing. And this is basically the module where the sensors are attached. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is not used in this case. It's for an external speaker. And this is for the monitor for this thing. And this is for the power wire. So one of them is attached to the positive on the reverse lights. Right here. This is going to the reverse light, the positive. And this goes to just any ground in the car. That's what powers this thing on. Very simple connection. And then the kit actually comes. It comes with this drill bit to make 4 holes in your rear bumper. So here's one, and then you have another one here, here, and here. So you basically drill the holes, and these sensors go in. You just pop them in. Once you've made the hole, you just pop them in from this side, bring them through the bumper back around here to your module. So they all have to come to the same area to the module, and you attach them, and then your monitor, this wire, is going to run to the front. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And attach it on the mirror. So I'm going to run the wire through here, behind here, under there, all the way to the back. You just tuck it in behind these pillars. Make it go all the way around. Pretty easy. This is what you're left with when you're done. Tape it up nice, neat, and you can just tuck it back in there. We'll sit nicely in here, and we'll close this. Here we have a fence right behind us. We're going to back up to the fence, and we will see how the sensors work. And they actually give you this tape. So now we have the tape on one side. Remove this side, and it says we're about 1 meter away from the wall. Let's go a little more back. Look at that. You can see where the sensors are detecting it. We're about 1/2 meter away. Let's move forward. We'll back up again. Okay, now we're probably about 2 or 3 meters away. Okay, 2 meters. Okay, now we're gonna back up slowly. See, it's gonna adjust itself. And it's gonna show us which side the thing is. So that will prevent us from hitting. So if something's behind us, it will beep and show us the warning sign, and the beep actually changes according to how close you are, so you don't hit the thing. So as I said, these are really amazing, very easy to install. Any mechanic can install it, and many DIYers can install them. You can pick them up for $20, the whole set, $30. You can even get them cheaper if you get them straight from China. And saves lives, saves your car from damage. It's really a good investment, and you can use it on any car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. Thanks.